Imagine a world where every investment you make not only grows your wealth, but also creates a positive impact on society. This is not a distant dream, but a reality unfolding thanks to blockchain technology. Blockchain, the revolutionary technology behind cryptocurrencies, is now transforming social impact investing. It is creating a decentralized platform that connects investors directly with social enterprises and projects meeting environmental, social, and governance criteria. This means greater transparency, increased efficiency, and, most importantly, the democratization of investment opportunities. Investors now can contribute to projects they truly believe in, and not just those that promise substantial returns. They have the power to influence and foster social good, directly from their digital wallets. This innovative blend of technology and finance is creating a new paradigm of conscious investing, where every dollar invested can be traced to its social impact. Blockchain technology is not just revolutionizing the financial world, it's reshaping the way we invest for social impact. So, why is blockchain technology such a game changer for social impact investing? Let's take a closer look. One of the main reasons is transparency. Blockchain's immutable ledger allows for a transparent tracking of transactions. This means that investors can see exactly where their money is going and how it's being used, reducing the risk of fraud and corruption. Next, we have traceability. Blockchain's decentralized nature allows for the tracing of investments from origin to outcome. This unique feature helps ensure that funds are actually going towards their intended projects, enabling more effective impact measurement. Finally, blockchain brings democratization to the table. By eliminating intermediaries, blockchain lowers transaction costs, making it easier for anyone to participate in social impact investing. This has the potential to vastly increase the pool of investors and the amount of capital available for socially responsible projects. With blockchain, we're witnessing a seismic shift in social impact investing, one that promises to make every investment count towards a better world. As we delve into the world of blockchain-based social impact investing, it's clear that we're standing at the precipice of a major shift in how we approach investing. Blockchain, a technology once synonymous with cryptocurrencies, is now paving the way for a new era of social impact investing. Its decentralized nature, transparency, and security offer a new level of trust and accountability, connecting investors directly with social enterprises aligned with environmental, social, and governance criteria. This technology is not only redefining the investment landscape but also creating opportunities for social enterprises to access funding and for investors to track the impact of their investments in real time. It's a game changer, a shift towards a more inclusive and sustainable economic model. As we move forward, the question isn't whether blockchain will transform social impact investing, but how we will harness this technology to create a better, more inclusive world. And that, my friends, is a future worth investing in.